What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome to the channel, man. If this is your first time here, feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below, man. Head over to IG. Let's interact on there as well. Now, y'all seen the name of the video. Y'all seen the thumbnail. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking. Let's just get right into the shoot, man. I know why y'all are here, man. Let's do it. Here we have the Air Jordan 5 DJ Khaled, we the best, man. Super dope packaging. Let's start there, man. Super dope packaging. I don't know who started this sleeve stuff. Maybe FLYEERR. I don't know who started the sleeves and made it popular. Everybody's doing the sleeve, every release. Even Eastside Golf, all the FLYEERRs. I want to say one of the Travises, the Fragments had a sleeve on them. But everybody's going sleeve crazy. But DJ Khaled did really nice with his. Super vibrant, man. Got all of his themes on here. Got the We the Best Jordan sign. If you've seen any of the merch that came with it, it has this design on the merch. Keep Going, which is on the inside of the shoe, you're gonna see in a minute. We the Best. It has the Miami colors, the same colors of the shoes. It has a peach colorway, which we're about to review now. It has the Cell colorway, so it has that. It has the blue colorway, so it has this color. It also has a purple colorway, so it has this color. So they're gonna use this sleeve for all of the shoes, use the same box for all of the shoes of the DJ Khaleds. So that's why the sleeve looks the way it does, man. But DJ Khaled definitely did his thing. Has one of the best sleeves out of people that's been doing the sleeves as part of their packaging. Getting to the shoe, man, it's a regular Jordan 5 box, essentially. But it does have that color fade, those Miami colors. Same thing with the colors that he's been doing for the shoes. We the Best on this side of the box in the corner. Nike Air on this side of the box. Shoe tag. The tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP Crimson Bliss Leche Blue Cell. Size 12, man. This is a personal pair. Maybe. Haven't decided if I want to keep these yet. If you look on the inside of the box, it does have that fade on the box top from blue to pink. And if you look on the side of the box, it has that fade from like a regular cement print Jordan box on the top, and it fades to pink, then fades to blue. So DJ Khaled really did his thing on the box. I can't lie to you. He did his thing, did his thing. Now here we have the Crimson Bliss pair. Now first things first, man. Right off the rip, what I can say is DJ Khaled was in line, man. When he said he had the best leather, this shoe has that leather, man. He said Michael Jordan had to approve this joint. He might not have been lying, man. We the best on the back. This is the Crimson Bliss pair. Like Khaled said, man, some people call it salmon. Some people call it Crimson Bliss. Some people call it peach. But these are clean, man. I can't lie to you. These are clean. I'm not sure if I want to keep them just yet, but it is a clean shoe, and the quality is there without a doubt, man. Without a doubt. Now, starting with the back of the shoe, man. On this shoe, which is the left shoe, it has the We the Best on the back. The right shoe right here has the Nike Air. Everybody loves the Nike Air, man. So I'm glad they let Khaled do his thing on that. I'm glad they let Khaled get a shoe release out of all people, man. He's one of the people that's really been putting on for Jordan Brand for a while now. A lot of people are sneakerheads, but he's been really loyal to Jordan Brand, really pubbing the brand every chance he gets. Anytime he gets a shipment in, he does his thing. He's really always active on social media with them. So I feel like happy for him, just like I was happy for PJ Tucker, man. Those two guys really bring light to the brand. And they really show the brand love at all times, man. They're always buying, well, Khaled probably getting stuff for free, same as PJ now. But they're always buying crazy shoes. And yeah, like I said, just bringing light to the brand. So I feel like if anybody's gonna get a collab, DJ Khaled and PJ Tucker deserved it, man. So this goes in the same boat as those PJ Tucker Kobe's for me. It's just super dope to see somebody that's like a true sneakerhead that's really buying and really just doing it big with the sneakers, man. Go ahead and get his shoe. And I know there's something that he's really, really happy about. They gave him 4 colorways, like I mentioned earlier. This pair is the Crimson Bliss pair, man. Has that 3M on the tongue, that knitted quilted blue insole, just like the FLYEERR swag. Super silk, super dope, super nice, man. The quality is crazy on here, man. Quality is crazy. I cannot lie to you. On the outsole of the right shoe, it says We the Best. On the outsole of the left shoe, it says has a Jumpman on there. And this is the one with the We the Best on the back with the Jumpman. This one has We the Best on the bottom with the Nike Air on it. Now these joints do come with a couple of sets of laces. It comes with the Crimson Bliss already laced up. Has extra black extra blue, and then a cell pair. If I was to switch, I definitely would throw that blue in there. I've been seeing a lot of people do like just lace swap pictures and showing what it looks like. My favorite would be the blue, then the cream, then the salmon, and then the black. I don't really like the black on here. It has a little black on the back of the shoe and then a little black on the Jumpman, which is cool. It's not bad at all. But I like that blue the best, definitely. The blue the best. Like DJ Khaled, we the best. I like the blue the best. Now getting into a couple of more details, it does have that crimson tint lace lock that comes on all Jordan 5s. He went with the crimson. I do kind of wish he did blue instead just to make it pop, or maybe even black. But I would say blue. This will make that pop with that kind of age tinted lace lock holder. Then it has like a sail outsole, not really a pure gel bottom. It's like a sailish aged looking bottom. And I like how on the toe of his Jordan 5s he used the color. So this one has the crimson tint, crimson bliss, I'm sorry, and then all the other ones have like the purple, the blue, and I like how he just added that color right around there on the front. It's something that's a little different, man. I like how that looks. I like how that looks a lot. And like I mentioned earlier, man, I'm not sure if you can really see, but this leather is really crazy. Like this is some really nice leather on this shoe all the way around, man. I'm kind of glad he did leather all the way around. This is a shoe that will last. You definitely can put some wears in with it and not really worried about messing them up. Of course, it's still a light color, so I wouldn't just say wear them roughly, of course, but the leather will last. You definitely can get a lot of wears out of these. But one thing about this premium leather, man, I'm not sure how it's gonna last as far as creasing once you put a couple of miles on it. But overall, it does look good, man. It's on Jordan 5s, they usually have like a bubble here around the ankle, but it's just premium leather and that silk inside, man. On the inside of this shoe, which is the left shoe, it says going. Inside of the right shoe is keep. You know, DJ Khaled always saying keep going. So they really let him put his own touch on here, man. I'm not mad at these at all. Like I said earlier, man, I'm not sold on actually keeping these in the collection, man. I may let them go. Haven't really decided yet. But to me, I like the cream pair better. Even though the blue and the purple are family and friends, I still like the cream pair the most. This will probably be second. Cream, blue, these, and then the purple. The purple doesn't really do anything for me, but these are nice. Cream pair is definitely the best, man. So if I do end up keeping a pair, it'll probably be the cream pair. I may keep both just on some like complete the pack type of stuff, but these aren't really they're not really doing it for me, man. I got these. One of my bros, Derek, hit on the first early access on Snkrs like a while back, maybe like the beginning of March. And I just now getting around to do the video, man. I've really been slacking on the videos lately, but that's another story. But like I said, I've been having these for a while, but they are super clean, man. Been having them for a while. Still not sold on keeping them. But I'm not mad if someone does keep them, man. The only way I would keep them, like I said earlier, is maybe like on some complete the pack type of stuff. But I'm not really looking for it, man. It's a super expensive shoe. Retail is $225, I believe, like $245 in Texas when you come out with taxes, man. So definitely on the more expensive side. I may just go ahead and let these go. May bless someone for retail with these, man. Somebody's gonna wear them, but definitely a nice shoe, but I'm not in love with it. I'm not in love with it. I definitely like it, but I'm not in love with it. Y'all do me a favor and leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Let me know if you guys hit or did you guys strike out. I've seen a lot of stores getting these. A lot of the mom and pops, a lot of the tier 0 boutiques are getting these. So they weren't really crazy hard to get. Retail is $225. They're going between like $260 and $280 on like your aftermarket app. So resale isn't too crazy on these either. I would say this is the more general release pair out of the pack. And then of course the white pair. You know, the purple and blue are friends and family, but this pair came in like all sizes from preschool all the way to men, and babies and all of that stuff, man. So this one probably had a lot more pairs. The white pair still hadn't released on Snkrs app, but I did see those released at our local stores. Like I know Premium Goods maybe got the white pair, Active Athlete got them, and Dallas Center did, Snkrs Politics, Social Status, man, yeah. Stores like that are getting them. But I didn't really see too many people getting that white pair. I did see a lot of people getting these. But like I said, man, y'all let me know how y'all are feeling about these. Let me know if you hit Did they sell out on you? I know they sold out early this morning on Snkrs, but they ended up restocking like a little bit later on a Nike app. So if you took that L, there may be a few pairs still left. So definitely go in there and try to check that out. But like I said, man, resale isn't too bad on them. So if you want them, you definitely can give them, maybe make a trade for them. But it's a solid shoe. I'm not mad at anybody that wants to get these and wear these. I'm not mad at it at all, man. But that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Give me your honest opinion. Just sound off in the comment section, man. But like I said, that wraps it up for this one, man. Until next time, on the next video, man. Peace.